Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. We're here today to free these up. They were free, they're rusty, you know, and they don't really want to move nicely. So let's clean them up. Pretty rough, good. A little finer. That's pretty rough. Nice and easy now. Yeah, it could use a repaint, but it's too cold out this time of year to repaint. Just keep it lubed. Thanks for watching. We're out here. So we just do the one step. We don't need the double freaking cleaning here. Alright? Alrighty folks, what we have here is the 5 weed whackers that I got from Udizzy 1969. The link will be in the description. We have the Steel, we have a Impala, we have a John Deere, a Toro, and a Homelite. Which one do you think A, has still a spark, and B, we can actually get started today? Let's see what happens.